Salt is one of the most basic yet powerful survival tools you can have. It's cheap, it's easy to store, and it's incredibly versatile. Whether you're facing a short-term emergency or a long-term disaster scenario, salt can be a game changer in ways you might not expect. So here are some survival hacks and tricks using salt that go beyond the everyday. Health and first aid. Wound care. In the absence of proper disinfectants, a saltwater solution can be used to clean wounds, though it will be painful. It helps to remove dirt, and it can slow the growth of bacteria, making it a valuable resource for wound care. Sore throat relief. Gargling with salt water can help relieve a sore throat and minor mouth infections. This simple solution draws out mucus and reduces swelling, giving you some much-needed relief. Electrolyte replenishment. In dehydration situations, salt is a key ingredient for an improvised electrolyte solution. Mix a pinch of salt, some sugar, and water to create a simple drink that can help replace lost fluids and maintain energy levels. Hygiene uses. A toothpaste alternative. A mix of salt and water can be used as a substitute for toothpaste when you're out of options. Salt helps clean teeth, reduce bacteria, and freshen breath. A skincare soak. Adding salt to a warm bath can help cleanse cuts, scrapes, or bug bites, relieving itching and irritation. It's also useful for soaking tired feet after a long day. A salt scrub. If you have access to an oil like olive oil or coconut oil, mixing it with salt creates a makeshift scrub that can help clean and exfoliate the skin. This could be useful for dirty hands, feet, or other areas where grime builds up. A fire extender. Salt as a fire extender. When you sprinkle salt onto burning wood, it slows the burn rate, making the fire last longer. This can help conserve fuel, especially if you're running low on firewood. Self-defense. Pocket salt. Simply carrying a small amount of loose salt in your pocket can be an effective tool. If someone attempts to attack you, throwing salt into their face can create enough distraction to buy you time to escape. Controlling body odor without water. A dry salt rub. Rubbing salt on the skin can help reduce body odor by killing bacteria and absorbing sweat. It is not a replacement for a shower, but it can help you stay a bit fresher in survival conditions. Insecticide and weed killer. Garden and crop protection. Salt can be used to kill invasive weeds or deter insects around your crops. However, too much salt can damage the soil, so use it sparingly. For an effective homemade weed killer, mix salt with vinegar and liquid soap. This combination is powerful enough to kill weeds while being easy to make with common supplies. A moisture absorber for drying gear. Salt is a natural desiccant, meaning it absorbs moisture from the air. You can use it to dry out damp gear, boots, or clothing when heat isn't an option. This is particularly useful in humid or wet conditions. A primitive battery creation. Did you know you can make a simple battery using salt water? Combine salt water with aluminum foil and carbon rods to create a small, low-voltage battery. While it's not going to power large devices, it could be used for emergency lighting or charging small electronics. Removing leeches. If you get leeches on your skin, sprinkling salt directly on them will make them release their grip quickly. It's a fast, effective way to deal with these nasty creatures when pulling them off manually is too slow or painful. Enhancing radio signals. Salt water can improve conductivity, which can come in handy if you're trying to boost a radio signal. Using a saltwater-soaked rag on a makeshift antenna might help you extend your communication range in a survival situation. Salt is an invaluable resource in survival scenarios, and as you can see, it's not just for seasoning food. Keep a healthy stash of salt in your stockpile, and remember that the simplest tools often have the most surprising uses. Whether it's extending a fire, disinfecting a wound, or even acting as a last resort defense tool, salt proves to be another powerful tool in prepping.